This is the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Mason ceiling fan. Okay. This fan, we just got this fan somewhere in the side of the road in the house was for sale. And naturally, it doesn't came with a remote. And also there's a spinner in there. It's dark right now because I add these blades. So I cannot show you the spin. Yep. And actually, it came with a remote receiver. And naturally, it's actually in metal. Yeah, I don't know what year this fan from that they don't have. It didn't have the date. So I think that's all the tour of this ceiling fan. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.